Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add clothes to a dummy on Roblox Studio, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is you have to open your Roblox Studio and you can create one here. Now from here you can find the avatar. So simply click on this avatar option in this header section. Now you can find this rig builder. So simply click on it, and from here you can choose the avatar or the dummy. So most common and popular is R15. So you can select on it, and here is masculine. And if you want feminine, then you can go with the feminine here. So I'm going with masculine, and you can add this like block avatar here. So I'm going to add a block avatar from here. So you can see it has just added from this section here. Now for example, I'm going to place it in this section, this part here. Now if you want to put some accessories and some dress or clothing on this dummy here, so you can do is simply go to this, click this toolbox here. So when you click on this toolbox, you can find this option here where you can click on this drop down button here and you can find plugins. Now click on, and from here you can find the search box. That's now in the search bar you have to search for accessories. You can simply search for accessories and you can find this let me show you accessories, inserter, and hit enter. So there is no one here, so let me show you. Search for, like, let me search for it again, accessory here, and there is no accessory. So also you can do is, if you can find it here, you can go to the plugins and you can find manage plugins from here, and you can update all from here, manage plugin and update all. Also you can update this current plugin from here, or you can do is manage plugin and simply click on this plus icon here. So it's not currently working, I don't know why, but so from here, like, select plugins here, accessory, inserter, hit enter. So there was a typing mistake actually, sorry, pardon my mistake guys. Here you can see you can type accessories and you can find this accessory inserter from here. So you can click on it from here and you can install this plugin on your plugin section. So here you can see it has just added this, here it is, the insert accessory. Now you have to click on it, so you can find this bar here. Now you have to add this accessory ID from here. So first thing you have to do is simply go to your Roblox account on your browser. Make sure you have logged into your account on the Roblox on your browser, so you can get the accessory ID. So simply go to the marketplace. So from here you can find the marketplace where you can find different types of clothing from here. For example, I want to add like anything from here, for example this one here. So if I select this item here, so I'm going to add this. Here is, you can see in the URL you can find some numbers here. This is the accessory ID or the asset ID actually on the Roblox. So you can copy this. I'm going to copy this here and you can paste it in this accessory ID here. Now simply click on apply and you have to wait, and you can see it has just added to the dummy here. Also you can add more of them, like, let me show you. If I just add this one here, so from here you have to select this ID from here and again go to the Roblox Studio, and from here you have to paste that ID again and simply click on apply, and you can see it has just added. And you can also add more of them from here, like in the marketplace there is more thing you can add it, for example this one here. So I'm going to copy this ID, and that's pretty much easy. That's how you can customize a whole dummy in just seconds. Simply click on apply. So you can see it's just added here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.